how you can buy Bitcoin on your Exodus wallet. You can find this wallet app on Play Store as well as on App Store. So after you've downloaded the app, open the application, and this should be something like this on your homepage. Then you will have to tap on Bitcoins and tap on this buy option. Once you do that, you can see that the default currency is USD. You can tap on this drop down to change it to these available currencies, and once you have done that, you can choose your amount. So 150 US dollars will get me 0.00253 Bitcoins. You can choose other cryptos as well from here. And once you have done that, what you want to do is you want to select your amount. As you can see, the max amount is $30,000 and the minimum amount is $30. So once you have done that, you can tap on buy and it will take you to another page. So you're gonna have to continue with your MoonPay account. So you can enter your email address right here. And once you enter your email, you can continue. It will send you a verification code on your email. You can just enter your code. As you can see, I've got my code. And I'm just gonna enter my code. Once I have entered, I'm gonna tap on continue, and then it will take me to another step. So it will ask you to add a payment method now. You will have to enter your name, date of birth, and your nationality. So once you do that, you can tap on continue, and it will ask you to verify your card details so you can add your credit card information and everything. Then you should be able to buy your Bitcoin. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.